Kia ora koutou. It is fantastic to see you, and we invite you all to join us for our apart school Karakia.
Me ino e tātou.
Me takatū, me whītiki.
Me whakarongo ki te tangata ke.
Mahia na mahi papai kia koe.
Kia u ki o whakaaro.
Tiakina tō tinana ake.
Me tū rangatira.
Kia Māia, kia toa.
Tihei Mauri Ora.
Get ready, get set.
Just listen to others.
Do things you enjoy.
Think for yourself.
Treasure your body.
Be awesome.
Show pride.
And now if you'd like to join us for a mindful minute, sit up back in your chair or wherever you're sitting, making sure that your body is supported and nice and relaxed. Making sure your shoulders are away from your ears, feet on the ground. Breathing in, your belly is rising, filling up with air. Breathing out, your belly is falling, emptying of air. One more time, breathing in. Your belly is rising, and breathe out, your belly is falling. Leaving you to do your own 5 breaths now, breathing in this way. And all together for our last breath. Breathing in, your belly is rising. And breathing out, your belly is falling. Setting you up for a wonderful day.